Good morning, all of you. Students, last lecture we have learned what is meant by rational and what is meant by irrational number. So, today we are going to see the properties of irrational number. So, there are three properties of irrational number. We see one by one. First, addition or subtraction of rational number with irrational number is an irrational number. Suppose rational number and irrational number. Add this together. Then you got irrational number. Or rational number and irrational number. Subtract to each other. Then you got irrational number. See here 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2. 2 is what? Rational number. Root 2 is irrational number. The addition of rational and irrational number, you got irrational number. And subtraction of rational and irrational number, you got irrational number. Understood first property? Then see second. Multiplication or division of non-zero rational number with irrational number is also an irrational number. Means rational number and irrational number multiplication and division. We got irrational number. See next property, last property. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two rational number can be either rational or irrational number. So see here example, root 2 is a irrational number and 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is a irrational number and 2 is a rational number. When we divide irrational and rational number, then we got rational number. So see our next point, square root of a negative number. Square root of negative number. So here suppose square root a is equal to b. Square root a is equal to b. Then when we squaring both sides, we get a is equal to b square. In square, when we squaring both sides, square root of a is removed and we got a is equal to b square. Square of any real number is always non-negative. But square root of minus 5 bracket square is equal to minus 5. Therefore, root minus 5 is not real number. Hence, square root of negative real number is not a real number. I hope students, all of you understood properties of rational number and square root of a negative number. So let's see, our next point is surds. It is very important topic in our second lesson. So students, listen this carefully. Surd. Surd means what? In simple definition of surd is a number which does not have a perfect square root. Number which does not have a perfect square root is called surds, or irrational root of positive rational number is called surds. So see, square root of 91. This 91 number does not have a perfect square root, so it is a surd. Students, root 16 is a surd? No, because 16 has a perfect square root. 16 square root is what? 4. So, it is not a surd. For example, root 7. Root 7 is not a perfect square. Therefore, root 7 is surd. Surd means a number which does not have a perfect square root is called surds. So, n is a natural number, a is a positive real number, and nth root of a is an irrational number. Then nth root of a is called as surd. This definition is given in your textbook. So students, see here, this square root sign is called as radical sign. This square root sign is called as radical sign. This n is called order of surd. This n is called order of surd. This a is called as radicand. This a is called as radicand. Square root sign is called as radical sign. N is called as order of surd and a is called as radicand. So see example. So students, suppose a is equal to 7 and n is equal to 3. Then n means what? N means here n. So write down here 3 square root sign. A is radical, right? So a is radicand. So therefore radicand here is 7. So write down here 7. So students, this 3 square root of 7 is a surd, is an irrational number, is an irrational number. Therefore, it is a surd. It is a surd. Right? So students, suppose a is equal to 27 and n is equal to 3. Then how to write down this? How to represent this? Square root, write down square root first. Then write down radical 27. Here order is 3. So cube square root of 27. 27, which number square cube root? 3, 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, means 3. 3 cube is 27. So students, 3 is a irrational number? No. 3 is a rational number. Therefore, it is not a surd. Okay. So see here, root 3, root 7, root 42. Here order of surd is what? Order of here surd is 2. Surd of order 2. Therefore, this is called as quadratic surd. Quadratic surd. When surd order is 2, this surd is called as quadratic surd. So now student, this year we are going to study only quadratic surds. So let's see how many points in surds. See, first point, simplest form of surd. Then second is similar or like surd. Third is comparison of surd. Fourth is operations on like surds. And last one is the rationalization of surd. Students, we are going to see these points one by one. First, we are going to see simplest form of surd. First, simplest form of a surd. So simplest form of surd means, suppose you have to given the number square root of 48. So students, find out here the factors of this 48. But remember that when you find the factors, one number is a perfect square. One number is a perfect square. So 48 factors is 8 6 are 48. But 8 is not a perfect square and 6 is not a perfect square. 16 3 are 48, right? So 16 is square root perfect square of 4. 16 3 are 48. So students, take this 16 square root. 16 square root is 4 under root 3. So this is your answer. This is simplest form of surd. See next example, second one, root 98. Root 98. Find out the factors of 98. one number is perfect square. So 98 factors are 49 to the 98. Here 49 is square root of 7. So take this square root 7 under root 2. This is your answer. Square root of 98 answer is 7 root 2. I hope students all of you understood simplest form of surd. So next point is similar or like surd. Next, similar or like surds. So similar or like surd means what? Similar means, you know that similar means same. Same radical means suppose two surds are said to be like surd, means their order is equal, means order is equal and radicands are equal. Order is same and radicands also same. These are called as similar or like surd. Similar or like surds. So let's see the example. For example, root 45 and root 80. So see here, root 45. The factors is 9 5 the 45. Right? 9 5 the 45. 9 is 3 square root. 3 square. So 3 square root of 5. So find out square root 80 factors. 16 5 the 40. 16 5 the 80. 16 is square, perfect square of 4. So 4 square root of 5. So see here 3 root 5 and 4 root 5. Here order is same. Order is same. Here order is 2. And these radicands also same. So these are like surd. 3 root 5 and 4 root 5 are like surds. I hope students all of you understood simplest form of surd and similar or like surd. Thank you. Have a nice day.